Wipe Hotwire has been one of the leading pioneers in manufacturing wire harness for electric two-wheelers. Wipe Hotwire offers customizable IP67 certified wire harness solutions for EV hub and mid-drive motors. Offering reliability in every connection. IP67 certified wire harness. Wipe Hotwire, the wire harness manufacturer with integrated wire and cable manufacturing facility. Advanced manufacturing processes with Industry 4.0 and SAP integration. IP67 certified wire harness. In-house design capability from wire to complete harness.